Welcome to our video on the Rosewill SPECTRA D100 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case. This case is designed for gamers and PC builders, offering a blend of style, functionality, and advanced cooling options to enhance your gaming experience. The Rosewill SPECTRA D100 features a striking polygon honeycomb mesh panel that enhances ventilation. This design promotes excellent airflow, ensuring your system and components remain cool during intense gaming sessions. This case supports up to a 360 mm liquid cooling radiator in the front and a 240 mm radiator on top. It's perfect for those looking to maximize cooling efficiency while maintaining a sleek and modern look. The SPECTRA D100 is builder-friendly, featuring a straightforward interior layout. It's ideal for first-time PC builders and seasoned DIYers, offering options like a vertical GPU card mount and a PSU shroud for clean cable management. Equipped with 4 dual-ring RGB LED fans, the SPECTRA D100 offers 10 LED modes, including static colors and dynamic effects. These can be easily controlled via a top I/O LED button, adding a vibrant touch to your setup. The case includes 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, and audio ports on the top I/O panel. This ensures easy access to essential connectivity options, enhancing the overall user experience. With support for various motherboard sizes including Micro, ATX, ATX, Mini ITX, and ITX, the SPECTRA D100 offers versatility for different builds. Its tempered glass side panel allows you to showcase your components in style. Thank you for watching our overview of the Rosewill SPECTRA D100. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into its features and benefits, helping you make an informed decision for your next PC build.